Good morning, students. I hope all of you are doing great. Now, the topic which we are going to start, we have started in our class, that is force of friction. Friction is what? It's a contact force, and this force actually slows down the motion of the body. The force which slows down the motion of the body, with the surface of another body, which is in contact with the surface of another body, is called the frictional force or the force of friction. Now, what happened in this case? As they say, the force which slows down the motion of the body. See, this is what a body, a box is here, and I want to move this box in this direction. Now, what this floor is doing, it's applying the force in the opposite direction. Now, this box and this floor are in contact with each other. This force is opposing the force of the box. So, what it's doing? It slows down the motion of the body. So, the force which slows down the motion of a moving body in contact with the surface of another body is called the frictional force. So it is which force? Opposing force and a contact force. It is the force that opposes the relative motion between the two surfaces in contact with each other. Now, what is the relative motion? Why relative motion they are saying? Because you are moving box on this side and friction is applying the opposite force to it. There are three kinds of friction: static friction, sliding friction and rolling friction. The first one which we are going to do, that is what a static friction. Static, from name it's clear. When body is static. When body is what? Stationary. When body is what? Static, or you can say it stationary. Now, what happened? The maximum opposing force between the object and the surface in contact with it is called static force. Actually, what happened here, we will do step by step. First thing, I kept some body here. I keep some body here. Is this body is moving? No. Fine, this body is not moving. This body is in contact with the paper of the notebook and this body is not moving. If I apply some force on this body is still not moving. Clear? Still not moving. So force of friction is actually applying on that body. Now the time comes when you apply lots of force on this body, that force overcomes the force of friction. Fine? First, body is not moving because force of friction is more than the force applied by you. Then the time comes when the body is about to move, your force of friction and the force you are applying on the body, the net resultant force is 0. क्या हो रहा है बेटा यहाँ पे? आपने बॉडी पे फोर्स लगाई, फाइन, आप बॉडी पे फोर्स लगा रहे हो, फ्रिक्शन, फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन भी बॉडी पे लग रही है. अब आपने इतनी ज्यादा फोर्स लगाई कि ऑलमोस्ट क्या हुआ, आपने जो फोर्स लगाई और जो फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन है वो इक्वल हो गए. जब वो इक्वल हो गए तो नेट रिजल्टेंट फोर्स, तो बॉडी पे कितनी फोर्स लग रही है? कोई भी नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन अपोजिंग डायरेक्शन में थी, बॉडी को जिस डायरेक्शन में हमें मोशन में लेके जाना है. So at that point, when the force is applied on an object and it is still stationary, but it is just about to slide over the surface. When it will start sliding on the surface? When the force you are applying that body is more than the force of friction. When the body just start to slide over the surface, the force of friction acting at this point is static friction. Body haven't started yet, but yes, it's going to be start. So static means stationary, body is not moving. So the further examples are paper on the table top, the towel hanging on a rack, a book in a bookmark in a book. They are not moving. Fine, they all are what? Statically there, stationary there. Next is what is sliding friction. Here we talk about when body is just about to slide. So when the body is just about to slide or it begins to slide, at that time the force exerted by the surface on the object is called the sliding friction. What they are saying now? You are applying a force on a body. Now body is sliding. When the body is sliding on the surface of the floor, the force which applied by the surface of the floor, that is a sliding friction. ये फ्लोर इन रिटर्न उस पर कितनी फोर्स लगा रहा है जब आप बॉडी को मूव कर रहे हो, द फोर्स अप्लाइड बाय दैट फ्लोर इज नोन एज व्हाट? स्लाइडिंग फ्रिक्शन. It is equal to the force required to keep the object in motion of the surface. ये किसके equal होती है? It is equal to the force required to keep the object in motion. Next one we are having what? Rolling friction. When an object roll over the surface, the force which opposing the rolling motion of the body is called what? Friction. Yesterday also I told you that suppose this is the cap I am having. This is not will roll properly. Suppose I am having this paper I am having now in my hand. Fine. Now when I move this paper, it will what? It is easy to roll it on the surface. Like a ball you are having, any another object you are having, that is what? A roll. Friction कब होगी? The force applied by the floor on that ball, the force which opposes the rolling motion. कौन rolling motion को oppose करेगा जब body यहाँ पे roll कर रही है? The rolling motion will be opposed by this floor. So when an object rolls over the surface, the force which opposes the rolling motion of the object is called the rolling friction. Bacha, we have done three kind of frictions: static friction, sliding friction and rolling friction. Static friction is what? When body is stationary, when body is about to move. कि अब थोड़ी सी भी और force लगाई तो body चल पड़ेगी. When body is about to move, at that point the force applied, the force opposing the motion of that body, that is what is static friction. Second one, when body is sliding. When body is sliding, then we are having what? Sliding friction. What is sliding friction? The force exerted by the surface on the object. You have to mention this in every friction part, because friction is the force applied by the floor. And what is the rolling friction? When an object roll over the surface, the force which opposes the rolling motion of the object is called rolling friction. Static friction is the maximum one, then the sliding friction, and then rolling friction is the least one.